everybody, I just made wakame rice. Please check out that recipe. It looks like this. It's a delicious recipe. My kids love it, and then you can feed them seaweed and protein from fish and sesame seeds. So it's a really good recipe. And now I want to make some rice balls. Okay, so first you want some saran wrap. And it doesn't matter how much rice you put on, just the amount you want for your rice ball. That looks good. And then you fold the ends in the middle. Okay, and then you kind of, I don't know, twist it in the middle. And then you want one side to be flat and one side to be a triangle because we want to make triangle onigiris. So we're going to use this flat part of your hand. So that's the flat part, okay? And then this side we're going to make a triangle. And just gently make a triangle shape. At first you might not be able to do it easily, but it might be something fun to do with your kids too. That's one. So again, you bring it to the middle, you twist it a little bit, and you get the air out. And again, we're going to use this side to be flat in your right hand, or whatever hand you want. And what I'm doing is, I'm not doing it on the same side like that, but I go like that, and then I twist it, and then do the other side. So I kind of toss it around. Ta-da! And I'm going to show you a cool tool that I have. I bought this on Amazon. It's great for people that have little kids. Look at that, isn't that cool? If you ever come to Japan, you should get this, or maybe Amazon ships to your location. So it looks like that. It just has a bunch. So basically these are small rice balls. So this is perfect for my kids because they're 2 and 1. So big rice balls are too big for them. So what you do is you want to put the rice in only half of this side. Okay, make sure the rice is not sticking out of the circle because then it's just gonna get smashed. And then you just close the lid, snaps, and then there's small handles so you can shake. And the handles are really small, so actually your kids can help too. You do this way, flip it, do the other side. Isn't that awesome? This is their Jesus plate for Christmas. It's actually Easter, but I use it all year round. I got it from my dear cousin. They're such a cute family. I wish we lived closer. That's for them, and then they can just pick it up with their fingers and eat the rice ball.